Hello everyone, and welcome to the topic Adjectives and Adverbs. First, let's have a look on adjectives. Adjectives are words that give more information about a noun or a pronoun, and they are generally placed before the noun or pronoun, but after the verb. Look at the examples here. In the first example, old is the adjective, and it is placed before the noun man. In the second example, the same adjective is placed after the verb is. So this is the placement of adjectives. The first one placed before the noun is what we call attributive position, and the second one after the verb is what we call predicative position. Now, let's have a look at the degrees of adjectives. Adjectives are categorized into 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Examples are here: tall, taller, tallest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. As you can see here, when the adjective has got 3 or more syllables, we use more and most for forming comparative and superlative degrees. Then we have another category of adjectives that we call irregular adjectives, like good, better, best. Now that we know about the forms of adjectives, let's have a look at the order of adjectives. When the adjectives in a sentence number more than 1, they are arranged in the following order. First, we use the determiners or articles like a and the this, that. Even though determiners and articles are not adjectives, I'm putting them here because they always come before the noun or before any other adjective that come before the noun, and they function like an adjective. Next comes adjectives of observation or opinion, like beautiful, ugly, lovely, nice. Next in order comes the adjectives of size, such as big, small, large, tiny. Then next comes adjectives of age, like old, young, ancient, modern. Then we have adjectives of shape, such as round, square, rectangle, oval. Then we have adjectives of color, like red, blue, green, yellow. Then we have adjectives of origin, such as French, American, Chinese, African. Then it is followed by adjectives of material like wooden, plastic, metallic, cotton. Then it is again followed by adjectives of type, such as general purpose, four-sided, U-shaped. And finally comes adjectives of purpose or qualifier, such as cooking, hammering, sports, cleaning. It will be very hard to memorize how they are ordered for people like us who are non-native speakers. For us, if we can memorize this acronym DOSAS type, it will be easier. Here D stands for determiners, O for opinion, S for size, A for age, again S for shape, C for color, O for origin, M for material, TY for type, and P for purpose. So you can remember this acronym DOSAS type. Remember DOSA, that's an Indian dish, then make it plural, DOSAS. Then you remember computer where we type, so type. Then the complete acronym is DOSAS type. Then you can easily remember this order of adjectives. Let's have a look here. You see the sentence here, she was wearing a red amazing coat. Here, first we have an article, it's okay, it's number 1. Next comes red, red is color. So it is number 1 followed by number 6, it's okay. So far so good. Next comes amazing. Amazing is opinion, an adjective of opinion. It is number 2 in the order, so this is wrong. Number 2 and number 6 should be interchanged for the sentence to be correct. It must be written like this. She was wearing an amazing red coat. Now the sentence is correct. Again, look at the next example. It's a narrow, plastic, long brush. Here first comes article. The next is narrow, which is a shape. Plastic is material, okay. 157, okay. Still the order is good, but the next one is long, an adjective of size. So this is wrong. It should be reordered this way. It's a long, narrow plastic brush. Then the sentence is correct. Now that we know about adjectives and its orders, let's move on to adverbs. Adverbs are those words that give more information about an adjective, a verb, or another adverb in the sentence. Generally, adverbs answer the questions as to how, when, where, or to what extent, and when they modify verbs, they show manner, place, time, frequency, or degree. Coming to adverbs of manner, look here. She sings beautifully. Now, let's look at the following examples. In the sentence, she sings beautifully, the adverb beautifully modifies the verb sing and answers the question how. Adverb of place. In the sentence, she looks everywhere. Everywhere is the adverb. It shows the place and answers the question how. Adverb of time. In the sentence, we will leave soon. Soon is the adverb. It shows the time and answers the question when. Adverb of frequency. In the sentence, they exercise daily. Daily is the adverb. It shows the frequency of the action and answers the question how frequently. Then adverb of degree. In the sentence, he was extremely tired. The adverb is extremely. It modifies the adjective tired. How tired, extremely tired. To what degree of tiredness, extremely. So these are a few examples of adverbs. Now, let's observe the location of adverbs. First, adverbs of manner, place, and time. These adverbs are usually placed after the main verb or after the object, if there is any object. Let's have a look at the following examples. Sentence number 1. She sings beautifully. Here, the adverb of manner beautifully comes after the verb sings. But look at sentence number 2. He threw the ball fast. Here, we don't say he threw fast the ball because it has an object ball. So the adverb of manner comes after the object ball. He threw the ball fast. Sentence number 3. She looked everywhere. Here, the adverb of place, everywhere, comes after the verb. Sentence number 4. Hang the photo frame there. The adverb of place there comes after the object photo frame. Sentence number 5. She is to be married next week. Here, next week is the adverb of time, and it answers the question when to be married, and it comes after the verb phrase. Sentence number 6. I watched the movie yesterday. Here, the adverb of time, yesterday, also comes after the object movie. But if you look again here, this number 5, next week, we can put it at the beginning of the sentence, like next week, she is to be married. Similarly, sentence number 6, yesterday I watched the movie. This is also correct. So we see that the location adverbs are a bit flexible, unlike adjectives. Now let's look at the adverbs of frequency. Generally, they are placed between the subject and the verb, or after the first verb if there are more than one in the sentence. Let's have a look at the following examples. Look at sentence number 1. My wife never cooks. Here, never is the adverb of frequency, which comes between the subject my wife and the verb cooks. But we have another sentence, I exercise daily. We don't say I daily exercise. We say I exercise daily. You see, the location, the adverb of frequency, is not very strict. It's a bit flexible. Now look at sentence number 2. I have never seen a penguin. You see here we have two verbs, have and seen. So the adverb never is put after the first verb. Now look at sentence number 3. I would never have done it. Here also we have three verbs in the verb phrase, would, have, and done. So the adverb of frequency is put after the first verb. Now look at sentence number 4. She's never late for office. Here, the adverb of frequency, never, comes after the verb is. Now look at sentence number 5. I often have to go to college on foot. Here, the adverb of frequency, often, comes between the subject, I, and the verb phrase, have to go. Now let's look at adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree generally come before the adjective, or the adverb they modify, or at the beginning or end of a sentence. Look at the examples here. The boy runs quite fast. Here, the adverb of frequency, quite, comes before another adverb that it modifies, that is, fast. Look at the next sentence. She was extremely tired. Here, the adverb of degree is extremely, which comes before the adjective tired that it modifies. And sentence number 3. The box is very big. Here, the adverb of degree is very, which comes before the adjective big. Sentence number 4. The box is big enough. But you see here, Enough is the adverb that comes after the adjective big and not before it. So we see here in adverbs of degree also, the location is a bit flexible. Now look at number 5. He spoke earnestly at the meeting last night. You see here we have got 3 adverbs earnestly at the meeting and last night. The first one is adverb of manner. Next is adverb of place. Then comes adverb of time. So when these 3 adverbs come together in a sentence, they are placed in the order of manner, place, and time. Now let's move on to order of adverbs. Adverbs are generally ordered in the order of manner, place, frequency, time, and purpose. Let's have a look at the following examples. Look at sentence number 1. He spoke earnestly at the meeting last night. We have seen this one earlier. Earnestly is adverb of manner, at the meeting, adverb of place, last night is adverb of time. Sentence number 2. She performed well on the stage. Here well is adverb of manner, on the stage adverb of place. So this is in correct order. Sentence number 3. He works diligently from his home office every day to meet his deadlines. Now we have 4 adverbs in the sentence. First, diligent is adverb of manner, from his home office is adverb of place, every day is adverb of frequency, and to meet his deadlines is adverb of purpose. But then remember, there is no fixed order for adverbs, unlike adjectives. As per the need, the order might be changed. To sum up, adjectives give more information about a noun or pronoun, and the order in which adjectives are placed in a sentence is as follows. Determiners or articles followed by adjectives of opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, type, and purpose. Remember the acronym DOSES COMTI. And regarding adverbs, they give more information about an adjective, verb, or another adverb. But unlike adjectives, they are a bit flexible in their order of location. Still, they are generally placed in order of manner, place, frequency, time, and purpose. That much for adjectives and adverbs. Thank you.